Today I have the new iPad. It's a supercomputer to use at home or at work. But first, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week and I will show you everything about this tablet, from unboxing, specifications, analysis, connectivity and demonstrations, to know everything about this iPad. Let's open this iPad box to see everything that's included in the box. We take off the lid, and here is the iPad protected in a paper film. Later we'll see it in detail. Underneath is a small box with information leaflets, the user guide and the Apple stickers in white. I'll save it for now. We don't need the user guide. It has a power charger, a small transformer that we also will see in detail later, and a power and data cable, which is Lightning to USB-C cable. And that's all that comes in the box. There's nothing left in the box. And so what came inside the box of this 9th generation iPad? An iPad, a power charger, a Lightning to USB-C cable, and some leaflets with information. Let's see the features of the iPad 9, the 9th generation iPad, and later I will talk in detail about all the specifications. Let's start by taking off the protective film. We'll peel off the film that protects the tablet, peel it off all the way around, and here's the iPad. So beautiful. How to open or repair this iPad? You won't be able to do that, because the iPad is not made to be opened or repaired. The entire structure is glued to the screen. Therefore, without the technical skills and appropriate tools, you will not be able to open the iPad without damaging or leaving marks. So, don't try to open the iPad. The design of this iPad is very similar to previous versions. They are gradually making changes. It is completely different from the first iPad, but similar to the previous iPad. It is made of aluminum. It has a very smooth curved edge, which connects to the front, which has a glass surface. So it is a very recognizable design of Apple products, especially the iPad. About the physical characteristics of this iPad, it has a Touch ID, one on and off button, two sound volume buttons, one smart connector, two speakers, one lightning connector, and two cameras, one on the front and one on the back. About the weight and measurements, it weighs 498 grams, so half a kilogram. It's not that heavy. Let's measure. Let's start with the width on the front. The width measures 17.4 centimeters. The height measures 25.1 centimeters. Let's put it on its side. The thickness measures 7.5 millimeters. So it's very thin. So this is the weight and measurements of this new iPad. Apple continues to use recyclable materials on its products. Let's put it on the sponge so it doesn't scratch. So on this iPad, the whole back structure is made with aluminum, 100% recycled. On the front, it has a glass surface, which covers the entire screen, even to the edge of the screen. And the buttons are plastic, but they are very small buttons, and don't make much difference. So, these are the materials used in this new iPad. This was another video about the new iPad, but there will be more videos to know everything about this tablet. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Like the video, and if you have any question, write in the comments.